meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance?
What they are saying that Sweetie runs around square park. Okay, which side was 75 meters. So, but the 75 meter register square has all four sides equal. Am I correct? This will be also 75. This will be also 75. This will be also 75. Right? And who else was that? Bulbul. Bulbul runs towards rectangular park. Okay. Whose length was 60 meter. So this was 60 meter and breadth was 45 meter. Am I right? Girls, are you getting the content?
Yes. Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े छे के नहीं? If this is 45 meter, this will be also 45 meter rectangle. Two opposite sides are equal. This will be 60 meter. Yes or no? Now what they want?
Yes.
They want to recognize who covers the less distance. So we have to find the perimeter of around measurement, both of them. Whose perimeter will be less, that will be covering the less distance. Whose perimeter will be more, that will be covering the more distance. Are you getting my point? Yes or
sir.
no? So let's come to the answer column. Distance covered by Sweetie. First, Sweetie, perimeter of a square park. Is that clear? So perimeter of a square will be 4 into sides. So 4 into 75 meter, 300 meter. Am I correct? Therefore, distance covered by Sweetie is 300 meter. Now, second concept was distance covered by Bulbul. A perimeter of a rectangular park. Am I right? So 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 60 plus 45. So 2 into 105, which get 210 meter. So 210 meter covers by Bulbul. So who covers less, 300 or 210?
300.
300 is less.
No, 210.
210 meter is less. So Bulbul covers less distance compared to Sweet. Am I right?
Yes.
Sir.
You all understood this, Sam?
Yes, sir.
और बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. This question number 16 you have to do by your own, because what is the perimeter of each of the following figures? The different figures are given. This is triangle, this is rectangular, or the different measurement is given. This one is square. So you have to find the perimeter. What do you infer from the answers? What do you infer? That means that is what you have to answer. So you know how to find the perimeter by adding all the sides. Yes or no? For all the figures?
Yes, sir.
So you can do this by your own. So let me check this. Just a second. This question number 16. I'm sorry. Answer 16. Square. Square has what? All four sides equal?
Yes.
To do 4 into side. Just see here. 4 into side. 25 into 400 centimeter. First figure over second figure. 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B. Oh, sorry. We got 2 into 50, which get 100 centimeter. Correct. Then again 2 into L plus B. Why? Because this is also rectangle, two opposite sides are equal.
Yes.
Again we got 100 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle, by adding all three sides, side plus side, you get again 100 centimeters. So what do you observe? All the figure have same perimeter. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Rabia, Mohdesa?
No, sir.
Sure,
No,
Bachcha
sir.
Party?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, question number 17. The last question of this exercise. Fast. This also you have to do by your own only. No need to do this question. Just keep this question. No. Okay, no problem. Chalo. We will move to the next exercise. This is not exam oriented, okay? Question number 70. It's the same related to this. Chalo, question exercise 10.2. I'm so sorry. 10.2. This has to be done by your own. How? I will teach you. Okay? કેવી રીતે કરવાનું છે? Question 1 and question 2. There are two questions. This exercise, you have to do both the questions by your own. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let me explain you how to do this. In the areas, આપણે exercise perimeter.
Yes.
We are on the base of area. We find for that. Means what? Portion. Perimeter was around measurement. Right. Area is what? Measurement. Measurement. Getting
Yes.
from this corner to this corner, this side, everything will be calculated.
Yes.
How do we calculate? You know that when we done a graph, box was 1 centimeter. याद છે તમને કે નથી?
Yes.
Count the first full square, count half square. We have to count. We have to count and half square, less than half. Is a logic. More than half square, we will calculate as less than half square. We will come. છે કે નથી સમજ?
Yes, sir.
લેસ ધેન હાફ હોય એટલે આપણે મોર ધેન હાફ માં જેમ 1 કરી નાખીએ છે તો લેસ ધેન હાફ સ્ક્વેર હોય તો એમાં આપણે 0 કરી શકીએ. ફૂલ હાફ
Sure.
એન્ડ ફૂલ સ્ક્વેર એન્ડ હાફ સ્ક્વેર. If it is 4 half square, now we have to
Yes, sir.
different shapes are given here where you can 5, 6.
9.
The area of the first figure
9.
come over here. Half square is of first square set. Now you have to write square. F ની બાજુમાં square લખવાનો. Half square, half square, half. Girls,
Sure.
Yes, sir.
this
Yes, sir.
second figure 1, 2, 3, 5. What? 5 full square. Square is 0. More than square is also not. 5 square centimeters. You need to draw this figure in your fair book. You have to answer. Am I cleared with you all?
Yes, sir.
પણ જાતના બીજા નખરા કરવાના નથી. ડોટ 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 પેજ ટાઈમ વેસ્ટ. Don't want anything like that.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes, sir.
Third figure. Square is how much? 1. There is square is equal to how much? Square. How many? Calculate it.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be bracket 4 1 upon 2. Right or wrong? Bracket will be closed. સમજ પડે છે શું કર્યું સર અહીંયા? The two will be what? Will be લખી નાખવાનો ફિગર અહીંયા 2 લખજો. આવ્યું or no?
Yes,
આવ્યું. Now more than half. ફોર્મમાં લખું છું બેટા. કોલમ છે ને એકચ્યુઅલમાં over here my point. મને કોલમ girls
yes,
girls
yes, yes,
Sir.
yes, sir.
less than half square
Yes, sir.
is equal to, sorry, we get again 0. Total will be what? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Total is 4 square centimeter. Am I correct?
Yes.
So તમારી જાતે આવડશે બેટા કે નહીં આવડે? This is to be done by your own for all the figures. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt with this?
No,
No.
sir.
No,
sir.
This is typical line segment figures, so you can easily do it. Now I am coming to this figure. Any of one I will show you how to calculate. Okay? So that
Okay, sir.
it will not create any problem for you. You can easily do both the questions very clearly. Chalo, I'll bring this down over here so that you can come to know what we are doing. Chalo, I'll do this leaf diagram. Okay? Now calculate how many full square we have. 1. Chalo, I'll change the color so that you will come to know that this color belongs to full square. This color belongs to full square. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, again here 6. Am I right?
Yes.
So total full square are how much?
6.
Okay, I'll write here 6. Chalo. Then blue for half square. Come on. Half square, can you find half square? No, we cannot find half square. So half square is 0. Half square ક્યાંય દેખાતો નથી. Now
Yes.
I'll mark out orange color for less than half square. Less than half square is over here. See 1. Can you see? This is 2.
Yes.
This is 3. And this one is, no, not this one. This one is 4. See here. This one is 5. અડધા કરતા ઓછું છે. Are you getting? 6, 7, 8. This one is 9. This one is 10. So total less than half square are how much?
10.
Sorry. Sir told whatever number it divided by 0, so answer will be. We are calculating directly more than half as one thing. Let me bring you with half. Just get green. Then half is 1. This one is 4, 5, 6, 7. Is
Yes.
more than half is what?
8.
Will be directly multiplied by 1.
8.
8. Total will be 15 square Any doubt? And centimeter નથી આવ્યું તો square units લખી. Can be anything. Per centimeter. Are you getting? Per meter. Cleared with this size?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Sure, bachcha party.
No.
Chalo, we are moving to exercise 10.3. Okay?
Make it easy.
Exercise 10.2 is over, bachcha. This was only question number 1, belonging with 2 different questions. Okay?
Yes.
Chalo, exercise 10.3, we're gonna start. Who will read this question fast, huh?
Sir, can I read more this, sir?
Sir,
Yes,
can I
more
read
desa.
Insia Fatima?
Insia Fatima, question number 2. More desa, question number 1. More desa પૂછ્યું ને કોઈ પૂછ્યું પેલા?
हाँ सर, मैं पूछूं.
ઓકે વેઇટ.
More this.
ચાલો. હા બેટા 1 મિનિટ. એક જ મિનિટ હો. તમારા આન્સર કોલમ એ સાથે લઈ લો ને એટલે મગજમારી નહીં તમારે. ચાલો. You can easily go through with this. We know that how to find the perimeter. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now, what I was asking is, we have to just learn how to find the area. હવે જેમ પેરીમીટરની જેમ ફોર્મ્યુલા હતી એમ એરિયાની પણ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. You all know that very well.
Yes.
So what is the formula of finding area of rectangle? Can anyone tell me? Area of rectangle, girls. ચલો, make it fast. Perimeter of rectangle ની શું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે? ચલો, ઈ તો ભણ્યા ને.
2L plus 2B.
2 into L plus B, or we can
Yes.
say L plus B plus L plus B. This was for
Yes.
perimeter of rectangle, and perimeter
Yes.
of a square was for 4 into S, or we can say
Yes.
S plus S plus S plus S.
Yes.
This was for perimeter of a square. This was for perimeter of rectangle. Chalo, so now perimeter concept is over. From exercise 10.2, we have started for finding the squares. So what is the formula to find the square of rectangle?
4 into side.
4 into side.
4
Four
into side
into-
was 4 into side was for perimeter of a square. યાદ આવ્યું? હજી હમણાં લખ્યું. Perimeter of a square was for 4 into side. If this is a rectangle, we were finding a side plus side plus side plus side for what? For perimeter. Now this is length and this is breadth. L into B is find the area of rectangle. What is the formula to find the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. What is the formula to find the area of square? Come on. What is written here?
L plus.
M.
Length
Hello,
multiplied
boy.
breadth.
Length into breadth.
Length multiplied.
Breadth આવે square માં, breadth આવે. You can say length, length. All 4 sides are equal. Length, length. We can say side, 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 side. Yeah, have a rectangle માં length and breadth different. This is length, this is breadth. This is length, this one is breadth. Area of square is what? Side into side. Area of rectangle to find is length into breadth. Any 2 sides we have to multiply. We will get our area of any 2 sides. Did I check and I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Basis of this formula only we have to calculate this all sums. 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay. What is the area of rectangle? L into B,
Yes.
centimeter to 4 centimeter. Now 3 fours are 12. Centimeter into centimeter, meter square. Make sure while finding area, the unit will be in square always, because unit also will be multiplied. While finding the perimeter, તમે 1000 perimeter ને add કરશો ને sides ને add કરશો, to unit will be same whatever it is given, meter or centimeter. Getting? While multiplying the units, have to do square, cube, raised to 4, raised to 5 as we require. Is that clear? Centimeter
sir.
into centimeter will be 12 centimeter square. Am I right?
Yes.
Out with this,
No.
now you have to calculate for all the sums. Most of the sums are your homework. So find the area of squares whose one side is given. So square has all 4 sides equal. Area of square will be side into side. 10 centimeter multiplied 10 centimeter. What is the answer? 100 centimeter square. Or you can say 100 square centimeter. Both are correct. Any doubt with this sum?
No.
Or bacha party?
Yes, sir.
Let us check the answer columns. The area of rectangle, length and breadth, centimeter square I did over here. This one, I'll show you in this. 12 centimeter, and area of square I got is 100 centimeter square. Am I right? Find this by your own. Find this too also by your own. Okay? Hello. Question number 3, fast. Who will read this?
Sir, can I read?
I read NCF Fatima.
Yes.
Sir, can I read Modesa?
Fatima, please.
The length and the breadth of 3 rectangles are as given below. Number A 9 meter and 6 meter. Number B 17 meter and 3 meter. Number C 4 meter and 14 meter. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest?
Length and breadth of 3 rectangles are as given below. Length and breadth of rectangles. Clear you. Let me go ahead with this first, second, and third. All 3 rectangles I can say. For any of one to check out 9 meter length and 6 meter breadth. So one is 9 meter. This one is 6 meter. Am I right? Now,
Yes,
which
sir.
one has the largest area? Which one has the smallest? By calculating area of rectangle, we can find this 9 6 what? Length into breadth. Come on, girls. Come on.
54.
Meter square. Second rectangle. Can I say this is 17 and 3? Length is 17 meter and breadth is 3 meter.
Sir, can I say? Answer.
Wait. 3 meter. Chalo, answer bolo.
51 meter.
51 meter square. Meter nahi aave, meter square house. Meter will be multiplied. And the third rectangle. આપણે rectangle draw નથી કરવાના. This is the thing I am explaining you right here. You have to simply do this sum. Length is 14 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Chalo. Now
56 meters square.
So which one has the greatest area?
C.
C. And which one has the smallest area?
B.
That's it. Your answer is over. No answer. Step no answer lakવાનો હતો. This one. Are This one. Have you all got this? What I did here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now you
sir.
do not have to draw a diagram. You have to use the formula. You have to use the formula. Length into breadth. Check the answer. Area of rectangle. First one 54 meter square. Second one 51 meter square. Third one 56 meter square. Now therefore the rectangle C has the largest area. Rectangle B has the smallest area. Are you cleared with the concept?
Yes, sir.
Hello, question number 4.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, jaldi bachcha.
The area of a rectangle garden to 50 meters long is 300 meters squares, while the width of the garden.
Width એટલે શું? Breadth. Width means what?
Breadth.
બરાબર? હવે શું કહેવા માંગે છે? Look out here. The rectangle is given here. Okay. We know the length is 50 meter long. How much? Length is what?
50 meters.
50 meter long. Now, is 300 meter. Area is given. The area of rectangular is 300 meter square. See, 300 meter square. We got one side as length. We got area. We have to find only breadth. That is what we don't know. Find the width. Width means what? We don't know breadth. Are you getting the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So again, we have to use the same formula. We don't have to use anything else. See, what we have to do is, we have to use the same formula. Okay? So what we will do, we will just simply go with area of rectangular garden is equal to length into breadth. Am I correct? So area of rectangular garden is already given 300 meters square is equal to length we already know 50 meter multiply by breadth we have to find. Any doubt with this?
No.
Girls?
No.
No.
No doubt, right?
No.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll place square meter like in writings. Okay? So what we got?
Yes, sir.
We will put breadth at a side. Breadth no being 300. I'm sorry. Girls, are you getting my voice properly?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear to you what I did here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We have to find breadth. Look here, we have to find breadth here. So B at a side, 300 meter square as it is. This 50 meter is in multiplication with breadth. So it will go towards division form. So this meter got cancelled with this square meter. So here what you khali meter. Meter one's a meter. Meter into meter will be square meter. So meter divided by meter will be square meter. So here meter vadyu numerator ma. This 0 got cancelled with this 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So breadth શું મળ્યું આપણે? Breadth is equal to 6 meter.
6 meter.
Understood how we found out this?
Yes, sir.
Or look in the answer column. Length of a rectangular is equal to 50 meter and area of a rectangular is given 300 meter square. Now area of rectangle ni formula શું આવે? Length into breadth. Now breadth we have to find. So area of rectangle divided by length 300 divided by 56 meter. What we got? Are you cleared with the content? And conclusion is the most important thing, girls. Conclusion you have to write it. That's for sure. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or
No, sir.
No, sir.
okay,
No,
great,
sir.
great. Great, bacha, great. Chalo. Question number 5. Who will read this?
Can
Read.
Sir, can
Ilma,
I-
Ilma. Ilma, please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
What is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot
Tiling में the tiling a rectangular plot of land.
of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees
8
8
per
per
100 square meter.
8 per 100 square meter.
હવે શું કહેવા માંગે છે? શું કહેવા માંગે છે? We have to find the cost of tiling a rectangular plot. આ plot છે આપણી પાસે એક જે rectangle છે. Okay, this is rectangular plot. Okay girls, now whose length is what? 500 meter long means length 500 meter. Am I right? And breadth is
Yes.
what? Wide means breadth 200 meter here. કાઈ પણ આવા પ્રોબ્લેમ સમ્સ તમને આવે ને ગમે ત્યારે લાઈફમાં તો રફમાં આવી રીતે વર્કઆઉટ કરી લેવાનું. ઇઝ ઇટ ક્લિયર? નાઉ ટાઇલિંગ મીન્સ વોટ? ટાઇલિંગ એટલે આપણે લાદી ફિટ કરાવીએ તો લાદી અરાઉન્ડ મેઝરમેન્ટમાં તો ફિટ ન કરાવીએ. સી આમાં ફાઇન્ડ ધ એરિયા અને ફાઇન્ડ ધ પેરીમીટર કોઈ પણ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ નથી થયું. લેટ મી ક્લિયર યુ. So how to recognize? To recognize by some points to catch up, whether to check out. Tiling means what? Tile ક્યાં લાગે? કોઈ થોડી દિવાલોમાં લાગે ટાઇલ્સ. I mean fencing માં થોડી લાગે, around measurement માં લાગે. Tiling means what? We have to tile the floor. સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
the point? So that tiling the floor of plot of the land, you have to find the area length into breadth. Area આવશે એને આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવું પડશે. Calculation for what? 8 rupees per 100 square meter, not per meter square. Let me tell you, per 100 એટલે 100 square meter ના 8 રૂપિયા છે. કેટલા છે? 100 square meter ના 8 rupees. આ કેટલું મળશે? 500 into 200, 1 lakh square meter મળશે. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
100 square meter divided by this 100 square meter, you will get the rupees multiplied by 8. So it will be 8,000 rupees. Let us check the answer. A question pila samajh padi gayi. What is the content?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure ne bachcha
Yes,
part?
sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo, answer number 5. Length of a land is 500 meter, breadth is 200 meter. So area of land will be length into breadth. So 500 into 200, 1 lakh square meter મળ્યું. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 4 zeros beside 10. So this 4 0 beside 10. What is the calculation we got? 1 lakh meter square. Now, cost of tiling is what? 100 square meter of land is 8 rupees. So cost of tiling 1 lakh square meter of land is how much? So cross multiply. 1 lakh will be multiplied by 8. 100 square meter will be in division form. So this 2 0 got cancelled with this 2. 8 into 1000, 8,000 rupees will be the amount what we have to pay. Are you clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bacha party, are you cleared?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo, Mohadesa kahenge, Mohadesa.
Yeah, sir.
Chalo, question number 6, bacha.
Yeah, sir. A tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter.
Very
What is its area in square meters?
Area in square meters. See, let me tell you, these are the two form given. Tabletop measurement is given here. Look here. હવે મેઝરમેન્ટ ને આપણે કઈ રીતે તમારે ઓલું કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવું, that is up to you. Length and breadth is given here. Tabletop ટેબલ નું જે ટોપ છે, ટેબલ ટોપ એટલે તો ખબર પડે જ ને.
Yes, sir.
So tabletop means what?
એટલે એમ કે જે
Table
ટેબલ
નું
હોય ને
કપડું.
ઉપરનો જે પાર્ટ હોય ને એને ટેબલ ટોપ કહેવાય.
So 1 meter and 50 centimeter. So these two units are given. So it has to be converted into 1 unit. So 1.50 meter. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? 1 meter 50 centimeter, there was two different unit given in the breadth. Let me clear you. Tabletop measure 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter means what? 2 meter will be the length and breadth will be 1.50 meter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this was two units given. That's why they want the unit in square meter. So answer should be in square meter. So area will be what? 2 meter multiplied by 1.50 meter. Understood? Whatever area we will get, that will be our answer. So let us calculate. Tabletop is equal to 2 meter and breadth table is 1.1 meter 50. That covers 1.50 meter. So conversion of yours should be more powerful at the present moment. This unit should be converted into one single piece. Got it? Now 2 meter
Yes,
and
sir.
1.50 meter, we got it. Two equal unit. So now we can find area of table. So length into breadth, 2 meter into 1.5 meter, which gives us 3 meters square. Anybody has any doubt with this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sure, Bacha Party?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
No, sir.
Are you all clear with question number 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, your homework is up till exercise 10.3, question number 6, one time in your rough book, and please complete as you are doing regularly your fair book up till question 6. We will continue from question 7 and we will finish our up till question number 12 in our next lecture. So that chapter will get over. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So exercise 10.3, question number 7, we have to start from question 7 in our next lecture. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
Do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your day. Bye, girls.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay,
Bye,
sir. Bye,
girls.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
girls.
everyone.